即马全球的贸易战正在滚价，美国伫12日时已经宣布要将所有进口的钢铁、阿鲁米的关税提悬到25%。欧盟伫同一天嘛宣布，对4月份4月初开始，要甲价值280亿美金的美国出口产品加扣关税。川普即马讲，欧盟总共真正安尼先做，伊嘛会搁甲关税搁塔愈重。美国即马上大钢铁、阿鲁米的供应商加拿大嘛宣布，因要提出报复性的关税。
If you put more tariffs on the EU, will you respond to their retaliation?
Of course I'm going to respond.
You will retaliate
The problem
with more
is our
tariffs.
country didn't respond. Look, the EU was set up in order to take advantage of the United States. I'm not happy with the European Union, I want to tell you. And,
Will you put tariffs
and
on
we're going to
cars?
win that. We're going to win that financial battle.
美国12正式将所有进口钢、阿鲁米关税提悬到25%。欧盟当日宣布4月初开始对280亿美金的美国出口产品加扣关税。
Our countermeasures will be introduced in 2 steps, starting with April 1st and fully in place as of April 13th. In the meantime, we will always remain open to negotiations.
川普就阁表示会继续增加。
So whatever they charge us, we're charging them.
美国上大钢、阿鲁米供应国加拿大是宣布对电脑、运动器材相关金属甲其他产品总值200亿美金加扣25%报复性关税。加拿大用行业降低利润，为可能出现的经济状况做好准备。
We will not stand idly by while our iconic steel and aluminum industries are being unfairly targeted.
欧盟、加拿大回应，予意向中的川普更加强势，在威胁会进一步加扣关税情形之下，全球贸易战已经升级。公司新闻，黄文玲报道。